안녕하세요, 참입니다. 제가 지금 캐나다에 있는데요. 숙박하고 있는 에어비앤비 주방에서 간단하게 파스타를 한번 만들어 보려고 합니다. 남의 주방에서 요리하는 거 좀 좋아하는데 특히 여기 주방이 되게 예뻐서 기대를 많이 하고 있었습니다. 재료 소개부터. 야채볶음하고 파스타 할 건데 야채볶음에는 아스파라거스하고 스위트피하고 옐로우빈 넣을 거고 얘는 포르토벨라 버섯이래요. 이 버섯을 뭔가 요리 프로그램에서 쓰는 건 봤지 직접 써본 적이 없어서 써보고 싶어서 샀고요. 마늘, 건찰레, 파르마지아노 레지아노 그리고 이거는 치미추리 향신료인데 아직 쓸지 안 쓸지 모르겠어요. 야채 구울 때 넣으려고. 레몬 그리고 파스타 면. 한 번도 안 먹어본 면이 있어서
Spaccatelle lunghe.
스피커텔
사봤습니다. 맛있을 듯? 엄청 커요. 이 정도 남김없이 쓸 거기 때문에 끝에만 조금 잘라주고 이렇게 얇게 잘라줘. 막 엄청 표고 같진 않고 그냥 좀 큰 양송이 같은 느낌? 냄새만으로는 먹어봐야 알겠지, 식감. 버섯의 종류가 진짜 다양하더라고요. 너무 부드러워요. 한국에서는 이제 야생버섯을 남의 산에서 함부로 채취하면 죄물손괴죄인가로 큰일 날 수 있어요. 함부로 따면 안 되는데 여기는 그냥 그런 문화가 좀 정착이 돼 있더라고. 버섯 따러 다니는 걸 많이 하더라고요. 와인 있거든요? 나 이거 무서운데. It's good. 바지를 좀 넣을게요. 치미추리 소스 넣어봅시다.
Spaccatelle lunghe.
이만큼 정도 넣어보겠습니다. Jordan, which plate should I use? Can you recommend? Oh, it's pretty.
There's also a red one, but I don't know.
No, I like this white frosty thingy. Thank you. Almost done, so
Nice,
I'll be
nice.
ready in like 5. No, like 10.
Nice. Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm done. Oh, dig in.
Yes.
You like?
Delicious, thank you.
He just wants to be in the shot with you.
Aww.
You have a cat?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name?
Her name is Uni.
Mooney.
Uni.
Uni.
Yeah.
Cute.
Oh. Aw.
Who's next?
So why did you start doing Airbnb? What was your like motivation?
I just had roommates before,
Mm-hmm.
and I started with like just people from Toronto, and then eventually I started taking only people who were on like working holiday visa, just because they leave eventually. You know, like people from Toronto, it's like if you don't get along, it's like they could just like never leave. And then also people from Toronto are sort of like bored with being here, you know, and people who are here on working holiday visa are like excited to be here and like wanting to do things. And so it kept me like excited too. And then yeah, I just sort of like naturally transitioned into Airbnb. I just started with like one room, and then just instead of roommates, I have Airbnb now. I don't think I've ever had these pasta before.
It's my first time too.
Mm-hmm.
I was worried this kind of pasta is more suitable for like thicker sauce, like ragu or like Alfredo kind of stuff, but
Oh, it's really good.
nailed it.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello. I knew it was too much. I was like holding pasta, talking to the camera. Should I put this much?
You're full? You want me to finish it?
If you can.
I can. No.
Oh, thank
I'll
you.
do it.
Nice teamwork.
Yeah. So you're like the healthy mukbanger, not the like excessive.
Yeah.
Eat so much.
I can't.
Me neither. I don't love food like that much. Like
Eat?
yeah, like I'm not like that kind of person that like
Jordan.
I'm not like a foodie. I know. Sorry, don't tell your followers.
They know. But you know, being foodie is bad for the environment.
Is that something that you focus on your channel, like the environmental issues and stuff?
Sometimes, but it's not my main thing. I talk about like recycling or composting
Nice.
stuff, but it's like more just melted in a video. I'm not being vocal enough.
Okay.
Because in my video I do like haul and like I buy a lot of stuff. I think it's kind of conflicts. If I talk more about like environment stuff, of course I'm gonna look more of a better person, but
You think it's like a bit hypocritical?
yeah,
Yeah, I hear you.
so I do what I can do, but not brag.
Yeah, well that's good. Anyway, it's better to be virtuous than to like signal towards it, you know? Lots of people like talk, but then like in their actions it's like, you know. Yeah, it's like better to like let your actions speak for themselves.
Yeah,
than
yeah.
to- yeah.
Hard, but that's
Yeah,
the right
I mean,
way.
it's interesting as you like get older. It's like when you're young, I could fix it all if I
Yeah.
had the chance, you know. But then as you get older, you just like recognize
I'm
all
tired.
the yeah that, and
I
you
wanna
just
lie
like
down.
yeah yeah that. But then you also like recognize like more of the complexities of everything. It's not so simple, you know.
Yeah,
Like,
not everything is black and white.
exactly.
It was sad. It's my last day.
Yeah, it was so fun to have you here.
Kind of
Listen
worried.
to all my drama.
Nice addition to my.
Yeah, you got the
trip.
tea. You didn't know you were getting all the tea.
Yeah.
Airbnb.
Air TNT.
Yeah.
Wanna wanna say hi?
I use the hello.
Hi. Can you say bye?
Bye.
I'm gonna turn it off.